Looking for a GreenGeeks coupon code? Want to get the best GreenGeeks discount for your web hosting? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to save up to 77% off on GreenGeeks hosting, plus get a free domain. No hunting for codes, just the easiest way to lock in the deal. To take advantage of the GreenGeeks discount, just click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from GreenGeeks at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome GreenGeeks discount. GreenGeeks is one of the top eco-friendly hosting providers. Their servers are powered by renewable energy, making them a great choice if you care about performance and the planet. They offer blazing fast speed, free SSL, daily backups, and excellent support. Plus, you get a free domain name for your first year. To get the discount, just click the link in the description below. It takes you straight to GreenGeeks where the discount is automatically applied. No promo code needed. You get shared hosting starting as low as $2.95 per month, which is a huge deal for what you get. There are three main plans: Light, best for beginners or a single website. You get hosting for as low as $2.95 a month with this plan. Pro, perfect if you have multiple sites. You'll get hosting for as low as $4.95 a month with this plan. Premium, for high performance and speed. You'll get hosting for as low as $8.95 a month with this plan. All of them come with SSD storage, unlimited email accounts, a free domain name, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you've been thinking about launching a blog, an online store, or a business site, now is the perfect time. Click the link in the description to get started with GreenGeeks and grab your discount before it's gone. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more web hosting tips and tutorials.